My son is going through adolescence. With all that is going on in his life, he has a hard time remembering simple instructions. This gives rise to some problems. For example, Wednesday is the day to wash clothes at our house. My son used to always leave money in his pockets. He never checked his clothes of his own accord. Day after day, I reminded him to do it, but he always forgot. I resigned myself to the fact that I'd have to keep checking his pockets for him. Then I hit upon an idea to put a stop to my son's bad habit once and for all. I told my son, I am going to put any money that I find in your pockets in a jar. When I have collected enough money, you have to use it to take me out to dinner and a movie. In short, I wanted to teach my son a lesson in a positive way. On the next Wednesday, I looked into my son's room. He didn't see me. I watched him sit down on his bed and check all of his pockets for money. He took a few coins out of his pants. I was so happy. However, to my surprise, my son put the coins pack into the pocket, then stood up and got his wallet out of his bag. He took out a dollar bill and added it to the coins in the pocket on purpose. I never thought he wanted to take his mother to dinner and a movie. I was flattered.